Good morning, students. Today we do lesson number 15, Money, Activity 3, question number 1. Add these two numbers. I have already written A part, rupees 17.30 and rupees 30.50. Now how we will add? For this student, firstly you write the rupees and paisa in correct places. Second thing, when you add and subtract, then you have to add in paisa into paisa and rupees into rupees. And when carry over you do, then you have to keep one thing in mind, that 100 paisa is equals to rupees 1, and then you add and subtract in the same way. So let's see this thing. See, rupees 17.30. Clear? Now down of it I will write another number. Another number is 30.50. So point will come down of the point, and 50. This 50 is a paisa, so it will come down of paisa. Clear? And 30 will come down of 70. Now what we have to do? We have to do plus. Clear? And when we plus them, 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 0 is 7, because whenever we plus any number in 0 we get same number, so 7 will come here. 1 plus 3 is 4, and rupee sign will come like this manner. Clear, student? Now I will do D part for you. So D part is, rest of the part you will try in your maths fair notebook. 105.30 and rupees 97.50. Clear? Now how we will solve it? Rupees 105.30 we write. After that I will write 97.50. Point will be come down of point. Before point, what is written? 7. So 7 will come here. Then 9. Clear? We will write like this manner. 50 you will write like this manner. Then you have to plus them. And when you plus them, 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2 will come here and 1 will be carry, that will go on next place. Clear? So 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 1 will go up. It will be 202. Clear? Now I will do E part for you. See, E part. Clear? E part is rupees 153 rupees and rupees 93.50. Clear? Now how we do it? We will write solution first, then rupees. First number I will write as it is, and down of it I will write next number, that is 93.50. Point will come down of it. After point, 50 will come as it is. Clear? Now how we will write 93? Firstly I write 3, then I write 9. Clear? Now I will plus them. Now when I plus them, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Clear? Now 3 plus 3 is 6. 9 plus 5 what come? 14. So 4 will come here. 1 will go up as a carry and it will be 246. Clear? Now I will tell you how to do F part. F part is rupees 207.30 and rupees 197.50. Clear? Now see, firstly we write F part answer. How we do? Rupees 207.30. Down of it I will write 197.50. Clear? Now we will plus them. We will plus as we do simple plus. Clear? Means simple addition, like that we do. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 7 plus 7 is 14. So 4 will come here, 1 will go up as a carry. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 0 will come here, 1 will go up. So it will be 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So answer will be rupees 404.80. Clear? Now student, I will tell you how to do question number 2. Subtract. In this beta, firstly we will see which number is the biggest one, and see rupees 15.85 you have to subtract from 30. So when from word is there, so second number we will consider first number, and this is the biggest number also. Means if you see both the numbers, so which one is the biggest one? 30. So which number come first? 30. 30.00, and down of it which number come? 15.85. Clear? Now what we do? Subtract. So sign of subtract is this one, minus. Now see. From 0, are you able to minus 5? No. So it means we will borrow from next number. It is also 0. It is also 0. So from where we take? From 3 we take. So this 3 will become 2, and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 will give, it become 9, and now this number becomes 10. Clear? Now this 10 will give 2 ones, and now it becomes 9, and this 0 will becomes 10 now. Clear? So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 14.50. Clear? Now I will tell you how to do B part. Clear? Rupees 38.50 you have to subtract it from 52.50. Solution for it. Firstly, which number is bigger one? 52.50. So it is better when from word is there, make a arrow like this manner. Then your question will never get wrong. Now 38.50 we write down of it. Then we minus them. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. From 2, are you able to minus 8? No, because 2 is smaller. So what do? You take from 5, 5 will become 4, and this 2 will becomes 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. So answer will be rupees 14.00. Clear? Now I will tell you how to do E part. C and D part you will do by yourself. 560.90 from, you have to minus it from 600. First step is to make a arrow. Clear? Now see how to minus them. Firstly you write 600 up. Again all numbers are 0, so we will take from 6. 560.90. Clear? Now we will minus them. 0 minus 0, 0. From 0 we are not able to minus 9, so we take from previous position. So they are all are 0. So what do? You take from 6. 6 become 5. Now this number becomes 10. 10 will become 9. It become 10. 10 become 9. And this number will becomes 10 now. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. So you will stop here. Answer will be rupees 39.10. Now C, D, F part you will try by yourself. Thank you.